In the landscape of modern industry, automation stands as a cornerstone of the fourth industrial revolution. Through automation, we are witnessing a transformative shift towards unparalleled efficiency and precision. The project objective is to machine the bottle holder both minimum and maximum pocket size to required tolerance using a fixture instead of a standard hydraulic clamp, and to reduce the total machining time for a single workpiece to less than 2 hours. Before creating the tool path, the tools are selected from the catalog with considerations to take into account, such as material, size, and number of fluids, followed by the usage of solid cam in creating the tool path and G-code required to machine the workpiece. Before the start of the machining process, the team has to ensure that the raw stock is within the required specifications to be fitted onto the fixture. Onto the machine, the workpiece coordinate is set with the reference of the fixture using the Bloom probe. After machining, the workpiece will be given to the CMM team for quality inspection.
As part of an unmanned production line, the next process to automate is the inspection process. The inspection process ensures everything meets a certain standard so that nothing fails or slips at its time of need. This project utilizes a coordinate measuring machine, or CMM, for the inspection process. CMM is vital to automation as it can be controlled remotely with a computer through its own software. Therefore, automating the CMM means automating the computer that controls it. This is done with an RPA tool, or robotic process automation tool. RPA tools can simulate computer inputs like mouse clicks or keystrokes. With this, the RPA tool is able to navigate the computer and create a measurement program for the CMM. Now I have the RPA tool repeat itself, and the inspection process is now automated.
These projects are collaborated with Onwa Tech Private Limited. Each product is fabricated to the client's needs. In the case of our project, the prototype is automatically fabricated and measured within an optimized time period. These processes are beneficial for industry that do mass production of model with varying features and key dimensions. Our team has gained knowledge in using the fabricating machine, optimizing workflow, and to troubleshoot. We'll be able to apply these skills in future engineering fabrication projects to further enhance engineering innovations.